Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel B.L.DASH Short and Sweet in Chemistry. Also, I want to welcome the students of 11th Science where the topic is isomerism in hydrocarbons. In 11th class, the hydrocarbons are alkane, alkene and alkyne and benzene also. Now in part 2 we will see isomerism in butane and pentane. In first part already I have explained what is meant by isomerism and what are the type of isomerism. You can refer first part. Also I can again repeat that one. Isomerism means the same number of chemical formula but different arrangement of atoms. That means here the molecular formula remains same and the arrangement of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, other they are different. But the chapter is alkane. That is why here only carbon and hydrogen and also single bonds should be present. And now in butane, what is the molecular formula for butane? You should remember what is the molecular formula of alkane CnH2n plus 2. That means here butane means C4H10. Now in butane 4 carbons are there and 10 hydrogen atoms are there. Generally in alkane the isomerism only possible, there is chain isomerism. What I am going to say, in alkane only the isomerism, the chain isomerism takes place. So in here C4H10, try to write in a straight chain so that the carbon has to satisfy 4 valency with our hydrogen in butane. See, this is called N-butane, which is a straight chain, single straight chain. That means see CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. You can see also first. That means the carbon is satisfied or not. The valency of carbon is satisfied or not. Check it. 3, 1, 4. Here 2, this side 1, this side 1, 4 for carbon. And also here 2 hydrogen, this side 1 bond, this side 1 bond, 4, and this is CH3, that is called N-butane. Also you count the carbon, number of carbon and number of hydrogen atoms. Then come to next is isomerism. What is possible? I told chain isomerism is possible. That is why you can see CH3, CH3. It is only one type heat and trial method where we will see everywhere the carbon is satisfied or not. Carbon is satisfied by 4 valencies or not. See CH3, CH, CH3. Now this CH3 group, is one type of branch or chain or substituent. Then here you can calculate what is the number of carbon. Here carbon 1, 2, 3, 4 and hydrogen also 3, 3, 6, 6, 7, 3, 10. That means it is satisfied. The molecular formula that is correct. And only you see how the branch is formed, how the substituent is attached. You can see here CH3, CH above one CH3 is substituent and this side CH3. That means in common name it is called isobutane. In common name it is called isobutane. Here in first case there is only one IPC name, that is N-butane, or simply you can say butane. Now in it is isobutane, then how? You should remember CH3, CH, CH3. The connection is CH3, CH, CH3. That means here one CH3, here one CH3, here one CH3. The connection either in this side or that side or L form, anywhere this is one side, or you can this side, right, this side also. So anyone, the connection, the branch will be like this. CH3, 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 the connection is like that, then it is called iso. When iso one is used, you should count all the carbon atoms. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. That means it is isobut. But means 4 and iso means CH3, CH3, the connection, and it is called isobutane. So this is the called isoform. So it is called isobutane. Then what is the IUPAC name? In IUPAC name, already you know, you will select the longest chain. Yes, 1, 2, 3, or you can say 1, 2, 3, both sides are same for the substituent CS3. That is your choice. You can count from this side or this side. Suppose I want to count this side 1, 2, 3. That means in two positions there is a methyl group. Two positions there is a methyl group. And what is the long chain having? That is sorry, it is not butane. Here 1, 2, 3, 2 methyl propane. That means you will see the which one is the longest carbon chain, and that is called propane. And which is the substituent present in which position? Two position, that is methyl. So what is the name? 2 hyphen, then the capital letter should start, and that all are, that is no gaps should be there between methyl and propane. So what is the name? 2 methyl propane. I can see 2 position methyl, long chain, that is propane. So 2 methyl propane. When you count the common name, you should count all the carbon atom, number of carbon atoms. And when you see IUPAC name, you will name the longest carbon chain. Then come to isomerism in pentane. Pent means 5 carbon, and pentane, so it is alkane. So what is the formula? C5H12. You can see first one, the long chain. The long chain, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the carbon and hydrogen are satisfied by their valency. You can check it. 3, 1, 4. 1, 2, 2, 4. Similarly, you can check, and also you can remember the first one is CS3 and last one is CS3. Remember, when you see the longest chain or any carbon, any chain, any nomenclature, first you see that one CS3 and last also CS3. Since it is a single chain, so that is why simply middle CS2, CS2, you should count the how many carbons. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it is correct. That is called N-pentane, or simply you can say pentane. Now next point, you will see the other possible isomerisms in pentane. Pentane. Pentane means that is one alkane having 5 carbon atoms, and the general formula CnH2n plus 2, that is for alkane. And what is the pentane? Pentane, according to that, C5, then come to C5H10. That means this is the general formula of alkane. And what is pentane? C5H10. Then what is first one isomerism? Here one isomerism, the CS3, CS2, CS2, CS3 long chain, and it is called N-pentane. And you can see here the carbon should satisfy 4 valency by the help of hydrogen. See 3, 1, 4. Similarly 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, like this you can check, all are satisfied by 4 valency of carbon. Then come to second one CS3, CS3. That means in second position or this position it is CS3 and CS2, CS3. Now question is, you can count from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can count from this side 1, 2, 3, 4. The question is which one is correct. Actually here 1, 2, this substituent is near to this end. This substituent is near to this end, and here this substituent is far away from this end and compared to first one. So it should be counted from 1, 2, 3, 4. So first you will see what is the common name. I told also CS3, 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 CH, CS3. If this is the type of linkage there, then it is called iso. So isopentane. When iso word is used, all the carbon atom, total carbon atoms is counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is isopentane. That is by common name. And here 1, 2, in 2 position there is a methyl group. So 2 methyl. And what is the long chain? That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means butane. So 2-methyl butane. N should be capital from the starting, and the butane there is there, and methyl there should be no gap. Then what is the name? 2-methyl butane. That is called IPAC name. You will select the longest chain. You will find the substance which side is nearer, and you will count this 2-methyl butane. Then come to here, third one, and the see here carbon in the middle, and everywhere there is a CH3 group is attached. That means you count. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See 5 and 10. That means it is satisfied. So what happened here? Sorry, it is not 10. Sorry. C5H12. Sorry, very much sorry. Here it should be C5H12 because C and H2N plus 2. So it should be C5H12. So please remember everywhere after counting it should come to C5H12. You can see here also 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 12. Here also you can calculate, that is 12 hydrogen. Sorry very much. 3 to 5, 5 to 7 to 9 plus 3, 12. That means here the molecular formula remains same, only the arrangement of carbon, arrangement of atoms that is different. That is what is called isomerism. Only chain is different, that is called chain isomerism. And here it is neopentane. When the carbon is attached to only carbon, there is no hydrogen, that is called neo. And how many hydrogen? 12. So it is neopentane. And here what is the IPC name? You will find which one the longest chain. You can see this one also longest chain, this one also longest chain. It is one choice. This one also longest chain, but always you select the simple one, simple longest chain. So 1, 2, 3. That means in 2 position one methyl group, in 2 position also other methyl group. So what is the name? 2, 2, because there are 2 position 2. Here 1 methyl, then 1 methyl, 2, 2. Then how many die? Which one methyl? So 2, 2 hyphen capital die. Here neopentane. What is the neopentane? That means this carbon, the middle carbon is attached to only 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons, and here the formula comes to C5H12, and that is called neopentane. The common name, what is the common name? Neopentane. And here since 2 position, this is 2 position because 1, 2, 3, that is also longest chain. This one also longest chain, and this form also longest chain. Now you try to simple chain 1, 2, 3, and here in 2 position 1 methyl group in upper side, other methyl group in lower side. That is why 2, 2 dimethyl. That means in 2 position there are 2 position, and here methyl group attached. And how many methyl? Dimethyl. What are the position? 2, 2 hyphen. And what is the main structure? 1, 2, 3 long chain propane, and there should be no gap between methyl and propane. So what is the name? 2, 2 dimethyl propane, and that is IPAC name. And neopentane, that is common name. So in pentane where the formula C5H12, not C5H10, by mistake I have written. And now according to this formula, general formula for alkane, C and H2N plus 2, and this is the long chain, and the formula comes to C5H12, and this is the long chain, and here 2 position methyl group. That is why in IPAC 2 methyl butane, in common name in 2 position methyl group. So it is 2 methyl butane IPAC name, and the structure like this: CH3 CS CH3. This is iso. So isopentane. When word iso is used, you should count all the carbon atoms. So isopentane. And now come to neopentane, where the carbon is attached to 4 carbon directly, and in our formula comes to C5H12. So it is called neopentane, common name. And now here 2, 2 dimethyl, and propane, and that is the IPSC name. Now I hope it is clear to you the isomerisms of pentane. There are three types. This is already explained. In coming video I will explain the isomerisms in hexane, and here I hope you like this explanation, and hope you will subscribe my channel B.L.DASH Short and Sweet in Chemistry, and also please like and share my channel so that I may produce more videos regarding organic chemistry. And I thanks to all for watching my video. Thanks again to all.